Mumbai rains and constantly pouring since last 3 days. No respite for Mumbaikars as the city continues to reel from incessant rainfall, with the IMD's prediction of red alert till tomorrow across parts of Maharashtra. Heavy rains have led to severe waterlogging, transport disruptions and flight delays. The authorities have strictly appealed to citizens to avoid unnecessary travel. The city has received a month's rain in just 3 days. Let's go across to Times Network's Anurag Shah with a ground report from the Gateway of India. Anurag, first and foremost, thank you so much for being there on field and giving us the detail. Do take care of yourself and the technical team, the camera team, and be safe. And let us know what is the status at present.
So there is no ease till Thursday because today is a red alert, tomorrow is orange alert, and IMD has said that on Thursday also there is a yellow alert. So in last 24 hours, Mumbai has witnessed, several parts of Mumbai have witnessed more than 300 of rainfall, and today again BMC announced holiday for schools and colleges, and there was an advisory for companies also to allow employees to work from home. If you talk about the lifeline of Mumbai, the local trains, then a local train from Thane to CST station is are suspended on the central line, and on the western line from Churchgate to Virar, local trains are running fine. There is an evacuation also of more than 400 people from the low-lying areas in Kurla because of the rise in water level in Mithi River. So these are the details, but presently I am at Gateway of India, and you can see there are few tourists who are also enjoying the rains of Mumbai. So आप कहाँ से आए हैं?
मैं गुजरात वडोदरा से आई हूँ।
और तो मुंबई की इस बारिश में तकलीफ हो रही है?
हाँ, थोड़ी बहुत
हो रही है।
मजा भी आ रहा है, एंजॉय कर रहे हैं।
एंजॉय कर रहे हैं। तो
हाँ।
आप किसके साथ आए हैं?
मेरे हस्बैंड के साथ।
ओके ओके। आप मुंबई केवल घूमने के लिए आए हैं?
No, actually I'm on business tour. I'm into the pharmaceuticals. So मेरा फील्ड वर्क यहाँ पे था, तो आज का क्या है, फील्ड वर्क सस्पेंड करना पड़ा बिकॉज क्या है कि टीम में से कोई भी बाहर नहीं निकल सकता था, तो डॉक्टर्स को मिलने कहाँ जाएंगे जब
क्लाइंट्स आर आल्सो नॉट वर्किंग टुडे।
हम लोग डॉक्टर्स को मिलने जाते हैं तो अभी डॉक्टर्स को कहाँ मिलेंगे जब पूरा एरिया ही पूरा सबमर्ज्ड हो गया है। और बीच में तो अभी मैंने जब देख रहा था तो हार्बर लाइन, वेस्टर्न लाइन सारी की सारी सबमर्ज्ड हो गई थी, तो सस्पेंडेड कर दी गई थी। तो अभी आई थिंक वो शायद रिज्यूम होगी, बट लगता नहीं है क्योंकि जिस हिसाब से बारिश हो रही है, तो हमने सोचा कि अब जब टाइम है देन व्हाई डोंट एंजॉय। So we came here to enjoy with entire family, we three.
So trains are suspended. So there are, we just talked to few tourists because the trains are suspended. So they are enjoying Mumbai rains at Gateway of India. But till Thursday, there is no respite for Mumbaikars of heavy rains because IMD has given orange alert for tomorrow and yellow alert for Thursday.
Okay, Anurag, be safe. And well, yes, you're bringing us news and updates live from ground. We can barely see Anurag. In fact, it's so cloudy, so foggy, and the camera lens is also all densed up. But Anurag, thanks once again for joining us.